Finding the right laptop for music production is a game changer, especially if you're serious about crafting beats or laying down tracks. You need something that's got the muscle to run heavy-duty audio software and without breaking a sweat, enough memory to juggle multiple projects, and sound quality that does your work justice. Plus a screen that won't strain your eyes during those marathon sessions, and battery life that keeps up with your creativity, wherever it takes you. Good connectivity is also a must-have for hooking up all your gear. Luckily, the latest laptops are designed to meet these standards, making it easier than ever for musicians to produce studio-quality music from just about anywhere. Let's dive right into the best laptops for music production on the 2024 market. The Asus Zenbook 14 OLED is a solid contender for anyone eyeing a top-value laptop for music production. It's not just about the brand or sleek design. It's the specs and features that make this laptop a standout choice for music producers who want quality without breaking the bank. First off, the upgrade to 16GB DDR4 SD RAM is a big deal. This means smoother multitasking and less times staring at the spinning wheel of death when you're flipping between your DAW plugins and whatever else you got running. And with a hefty 1TB PCLE NVMe M.2 SSD, you could say goodbye to long boot times and hello to lightning-fast data transfers. More tracks, samples, and projects loaded in the blink of an eye. The processor is where things get juicy. A 13th Gen Intel Evo platform Core i7 with 14 cores ready to tackle anything from heavy production software to casual web browsing. And thanks to Intel Iris Xe graphics, even video editing or graphic-intensive tasks look buttery smooth. But the real crown jewel, that stunning 14.5-inch 3K OLED touchscreen. Not only does it make everything look ridiculously good, but the touch capability also adds a whole new level of interaction with your projects. Plus, with an 89% screen-to-body ratio, you're getting all screen and no bezel, which is perfect for immersive mixing sessions. Connectivity won't be an issue either, with its generous ports including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A and dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, not to mention HDMI for hooking up to external displays. And with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth capabilities, you're all set for a seamless wireless experience. Topping it off, the backlit keyboard ensures late-night sessions go by without a hitch, and the included KKE mousepad is a nice touch for those preferring traditional mouse navigation. Good stuff. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is a real game changer for anyone into music production, making it the top pick if you're after a 2-in-1 laptop that can keep up with your creative flow. It's like having a studio assistant, thanks to Copilot on Windows 11, which simplifies tasks and boosts productivity. Basically, it takes the headache out of the tech side of things, so you can focus more on your music. The 13-inch touchscreen is pretty sweet too. It automatically adjusts to your environment, so whether you're tweaking tracks in low light or finding inspiration in the sunshine, the display is always on point. What makes it a dream for music producers is its flexibility. The built-in kickstand and Surface Pro Signature keyboard means you can switch from tablet to laptop mode in a snap, perfect for making beats on the go or settling down for a mixing session. And with a Surface Slim Pen 2, it feels like you're sketching out your ideas on paper, but even better. Video calls look pro with the Surface Pro 9's HD camera. It's set up to frame you perfectly, which is great for remote collabs or just catching up with friends. And if you're a stickler for visuals, the Dolby Vision IQ feature brings your screen to life with amazing picture quality, so everything from movies to games looks incredible. Powered by Intel Core processors, this laptop doesn't mess around. It's built to handle anything from heavy-duty music software to everyday tasks without breaking a sweat. All in all, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 nails it for music producers looking for a flexible, powerful laptop that blends the best of both worlds. Tablet convenience and laptop performance. It's a solid choice that lets you focus on the music, not the tech. The new Apple MacBook Pro with the M3 chip is pretty much a dream machine for making music. It's like they cranked everything up to 11 with the M3 Pro and M3 Max chips. For anyone mixing tracks, editing tunes, or just dabbling in production, this means you're getting top-notch performance. The M3 Pros got up to a 12-core CPU and an 18-core GPU, and if you're really looking to push the limits, the M3 Max brings even more power to the table. Battery life is a beast too. up to 18 hours. That's a lot of creating, mixing, and mastering without needing to plug in. Plus, it keeps it cool performance-wise, even when it's running on battery. The display is something else. The 14.2-inch screen is super bright and crisp, making it perfect for getting your visuals just right alongside your audio work. Everything you need runs like a charm on it, from Adobe Creative Cloud to all your favorite music production software. And with Mac OS, you've got a bunch of cool features that make everything run smoother, from video calls to app integration. But what's really cool is the sound and video quality. The camera and mic setup make you look and sound like a pro on calls. Plus, the built-in 6-speaker system with spatial audio is like having your own personal concert hall. With loads of ports, super fast Wi-Fi 6E, and even the option to hook up multiple external displays, this laptop has connectivity covered. And the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID is the cherry on top, making logging in and securing your stuff super easy. Good one. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Number 2. Gamers in search of unparalleled performance will find the Asus ROG Strix Scar 16 as the top choice for a gaming laptop that doubles efficiently for music production in 2024. This powerhouse is equipped with the formidable 13th generation Intel Core i9 CPU, boasting 24 cores with speeds reaching up to 5.5 GHz, identified as i9 13980 HKS, promising unmatched processing power for both advanced gaming and demanding creative tasks. The laptop features a stunning 16-inch mini LED display that brings visuals to life with exceptional clarity, contrast, and colors, making it an ideal screen for immersive gaming sessions, binge watching, or engaging in detailed creative projects. The display's 16:10 aspect ratio and swift 240 Hz refresh rate enhance not only gaming adventures, but also any form of entertainment or professional work. Aesthetically, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 16 commands attention with its dynamic RGB LEDs that trace from one side to another, coupled with another strip positioned beneath the screen, creating a captivating light show that automatically cycles through colors. Its connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring 2 USB Type-C ports, one offering Thunderbolt 4 support, HDMI 2.1, and a 2.5 GBE Ethernet port, facilitating a seamless connection for all your peripherals. The keyboard, designed with the needs of professional gamers in mind, features durable switches guaranteed for over 20 million keystrokes and includes N-key rollover to ensure precise inputs during intense gaming sessions. The keys provide a satisfying feel with their firm, crisp response. The laptop's 16-inch Pantone-certified HDR-compatible mini LED display stands out with its 2560 by 1600 resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate, promising full coverage of the DCI P3 color spectrum. This translates to a visually stunning experience, capable of displaying intricate details in the darkest scenes or most vivid landscapes. Thumbs up, that's for sure. And the Dell XPS 17 is a game changer for anyone deep into music production, and honestly, it's like having a portable studio. Picture this. You're mixing your latest track, and the sound quality is so crisp and immersive thanks to its quad-speaker setup and Waves NX3D audio technology, it feels like Grammy winner Jack Joseph Puig is right there with you nodding along. This laptop isn't just about the sound, it's a powerhouse. With its 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, it eats up heavy software for breakfast, letting you run your DAWs and plugins smoothly without any dreaded lag. This means more time creating and less time staring at a loading screen. The visuals are just as impressive. The edge-to-edge Infinity Edge display makes everything look stunning, from your production software to Netflix chill sessions. Plus, the eye safe feature saves your eyes some strain without skimping on color quality. But here's where it really stands out from cheaper options. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card. It's a beast, perfect not just for music production but also for video editing or gaming on the side. And as good as it performs, with its sleek CNC machined aluminum body and classy black carbon fiber interior, the screen is bright, colorful, and gives you plenty of space to work without feeling cramped. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.